Rory feet. How about you, Isla? Are you ready for lunch? Are you ready? Can you give me a cuddle? Oh, you're such a nice baby. Don't eat me. I'm not your lunch. Okay, let's get your lunch.
This is the twins' birthday lunch today.
They are having shepherd's pie. And they are hungry monkeys. Oh, is it hot? Go like this. Oh, Isla, yum, yum. Say mmm. Say mmm. Say mmm. No, don't put your hand in there. No, baby. It's messy, messy, messy. Oh, you want to do it yourself? Oh, could you cut them a few cubes of cheese? Oh. Oh. Open up. Open. Oh, bad cough, back again.
Oh, Rory.
Yum,
You haven't got a bad cough.
Yum. Yum. Do you want a bit of carrot this time? So delicious. Gigi made this for you. Alright, yes. Oh, take your time. Choo. How about carrot, Rory? Like carrot? Rory. Oh, do you want a wee bit of juice? Good girl. What's that noise? Does that mean I want carrot? To feed yourself some cheese. Eiley. Look, baby. Cheese for you. Cheese for Ella. Yummy cheese. Oh, I like cheese. Delicious. Yummy cheese. Gonna bite his nose off. Delicious. Just chew that bit first before you put another bit in. It's not good to fill all your cheese.
Daddy's having his lunch too. He's a bit tidier than the other two. Only a little bit. Mummy's got a puppet that Kelly sent for their birthday.
Hello.
I'm not sure the light's very good in this.
Is it not? Maybe because the windows are behind?
Maybe.
Cheese! Yummy cheese! Clap. Round of applause for cheese! No, your mouth. Tongue in. Oh no, let me go. Don't eat me. Eat your cheese, baby. Look, Isla. Cheese, 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 cheese. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Hello, hello. Can you wave? Can you wave hello, Rory? Oh, good waving, good waving. Rory, can you wave hello? That's close, that's almost waving. A wee bit more cheese.
What you got, Isla? Rory. Rory. Where's your teeth?
Oh no, keep it in.
Oh, Isla.
Put it back in.
No, no, no.
Back in.
No, no, no.
Back
No,
in
no,
the
no.
mouse. Back in. No, not going back in. Yeah, come on. Yummy, yummy cheese. Yummy, yummy cheese. Yeah, yeah. Let's pop it here, will we? Not impressed?
No.
No, I'm not impressed. Tough crowd today. Okay, eat this cheese and then we'll try more shepherd's pie. Yum, yum. Rory, how did my puppet get a wet nose? Hmm? How did my puppet get a wet nose? Cheese for Isla. Cheese, cheese, cheese. No more cheese. Okay, let's try more shepherd's pie now. This is delicious. A wee bit of carrot. Oh, oh, oh. In the mouth. Shoom. Use those big teeth that you've got.
Oh dear.
Oh no.
Maybe they're not hungry because they had that.
I know, I'm wondering
falafel.
how much maybe they
What they
ate.
eat?
Well, they had some of my falafel and some of Dad's chicken. But I couldn't judge really how much they had, so I thought we should still try proper food. Oh, good clapping. Yeah.
Yes, good clapping, yes.
Eat your food.
Papa handy. Yay. Oh, you're such a grown-up 1-year-old girl. Everyone was talking to us on the way. Shops and oh. This is not a winner though. He's so sweet, sorry,